I'm so excited. Today I'm making one of my favorite dishes, camarones a la plancha. They're so easy to make. They're buttery, delicious. If you want to see how I make them, keep watching. Cheers! For this recipe, I'm going to be using 1 pound of large shrimp, and I'm going to start off by slicing it down the middle. We slice it just like this. This part is a little time consuming, and it's going to take a little while, so be patient. Once it's split open, we remove the vein. Once it's done, it should look just like this. We're not going to remove the shell, we're going to keep it on, and we continue doing the same for the rest of the shrimp. The shrimp are ready. Let's begin making the salsa. For the sauce, I'm going to set my pan on medium heat and add some oil. Oil is hot. We add half of a small white onion, 3 garlic cloves, 3 chiles de arbol, and 5 guajillo peppers. Move it around and we fry for a couple of minutes. Everything is ready. I'm going to transfer it into the blender cup along with 3 tablespoons of mayo, the juice of 1 lime, half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, and salt to taste. We blend. Once the sauce is ready, we start coating our shrimp. And then we just start coating just like this and make sure you spread it evenly. I'm gonna be serving it with some white buttery corn rice. I already have a recipe on that one if you're interested. I'm gonna be linking it down below. We're only gonna coat this side, and once we cook them, we coat the other side. To cook the shrimp, I'm gonna be using my iron skillet that I've set to medium heat, and I'm gonna add some butter. Butter is now melted. I'm gonna cook the shrimp, and I'm only gonna be doing a few at a time. We press them down so that they can stay flat and get nice and crispy. After about a minute or so, we start coating the other side with salsa. Make sure to get it all in there. Once they're all coated, we can start flipping them and cook for about another 2 minutes. These are ready, and I'm gonna take them out, and we do the same for the rest of the shrimp. I like to serve it with some white buttery rice. I already have a video for it, so if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link below. Okay guys, for the moment of truth, hold on, let me just take off the shell. Remember to take off the shell. I don't want you biting into it and then you bite the shell. It wouldn't be nice. Oh, I can't wait to try these. These are super soft. It's a little messy because of the sauce, but here we go. Cheers! Oh my god. If you haven't tried these shrimp, you definitely need to try it. They're a little on the spicy side, I'm not gonna lie, but it's so worth it. And there you have it, delicious camarones a la plancha. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!